Hi guys, for today's video, ang ipapakita natin ay ESD-Safe Calculator. Ito siya guys. Ayan ang ating ESD-Safe Calculator. And then may kasama siyang manual. So what is the use of ESD-Safe Calculator? An ESD, electrostatic discharge safe calculator, is designed for use in environments where sensitive electronic components need protection from electrostatic discharge. These calculators are made with material that prevent the build-up and discharge of static electricity, safeguarding nearby electronic devices from potential damage. So, here's a breakdown of their uses and features. Number 1. Protection of sensitive equipment. ESD calculators are used in areas where static electricity can damage sensitive electronic equipment. They help prevent static electroshock damage. Number 2. Material and design. These calculators are typically made from conductive ABS, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene, or similar materials that prevent static buildup. Number 3. Basic functionality. Despite their specialized use, ESD calculators offer all the basic functions needed for standard office calculations. Number 4. Compliance and standards. Using ESD calculators helps maintain compliance with industry standards such as ANSI/ESD S20.20. So, ang features niya, some ESD calculators come with features like a 12-digit display, solar power, and ability to check and correct up to 99 steps in a calculation. In addition to the ESD-Safe calculator, several other types of calculators are used in ESD flooring projects to ensure proper installation and coverage. Number 6. Simple square footage calculator. Used for basic area measurements to determine ESD flooring needs. The formula is length multiplied by width with all measurement converted to feet. Number 7. Grounding point distance tool. Helps in planning the grounding point layout, recommending one grounding point for every 1,000 square feet of ESD flooring. Copper grounding straps should extend 24 inches from the connection point. Number 8. Tile layout optimization system. Software solution that offer advanced calculation features for specific ESD tile dimension, growth requirement, and layout patterns. These tools help maximize ESD protection while minimizing material waste. Number 9. Material cost estimation platform. Evaluates different ESD flooring materials, factoring in square footage, material type, and regional pricing variations. Real-time cost analysis features help track fluctuating material prices and calculate total projects expenses. So, Resistant Measurement Planning Calculator ascertains accurate ESD flooring testing and compliance, accounting for various testing methods and environmental factors. Coverage Area Mapping Tool ensures accurate material calculations and optimal installation planning. Ayan siya, guys. Ito ang ating ESD calculator. ESD Safe Calculator. So, what are the specs of ESD calculator? Material made of conductive ABS. Display 12-digit LCD. Operation battery or light operated. So, features accurate calculation, dust-proof, check and correct with 99 steps. Weight 0.115 kg. Size 12 by 15 mm. Ang color niya, black. So guys, yan ang ating ESD Safe Calculator. So, ayun lang guys. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you!